Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning here in the busy, bustling, hot and humid city of Lahore, and it's time to get on the bus. We're headed to Islamabad today. We're taking a deluxe, luxury, first class, business class bus all the way from Lahore up to Islamabad. The journey is going to take us roughly 4.5 hours. That's what the website says. I'm curious because most buses around the world generally take a little bit longer to get to their destination than they say. It's Sunday morning, and foolish me, I didn't realize that a lot of stores would be closed. So normally at this time of day, this block is absolutely jam-packed with stores. People are out and about, food's cooking, but not today. I was gonna take you to one of my favorite shops to grab some food, but it's Sunday, so it's closed. So we're gonna do the next best thing. We're going to a place called Cakes and Bakes right next to the hotel that I'm staying at. We're gonna try to get some food, fuel up a little bit before this bus. I guess they are gonna serve us I guess they are gonna serve us food on the bus. Definitely gonna order that because y'all gotta see what bus food is like here in Pakistan, right? Assalamu alaikum, brother. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Wow, all right, we've got an insane selection of cakes, big butterfly cake. I don't think I've got the appetite for a full cake this morning, but I did come here the first night that I got to Lahore super late. It's like one of the only places open, and I had a tasty, like a crepe type thing. Assalamu alaikum. No filming. Okay. All right, they didn't want me to film without permission. Totally understandable. I'm so lucky that this place was right next to the hotel. I don't know if I was gonna find another store that's open. They told me this was the best thing they have. It looks, I think they called it pizza. Kind of looks like a ciabatta bread almost. And we've got some tomato sauce coming out the side there. I'm so hungry. Pow. Okay. It's kind of like pizza filling in the ciabatta bread that's very soggy. It's tasty because I'm definitely getting like a lot of spice from it. It's like a really creamy cheese, a mild type of milk cheese. There's some peppers in there, the sesame seeds on top. And they asked me if I wanted it warm. They put it in the microwave for a little bit. Maybe if they put it in for a little bit longer, it would have been nice. Probably benefit from a toaster oven. But it's okay, I'm digging it. I think there's ground up chicken in there too. Not too shabby. Okay, let's call the Uber. Let's go to the bus station, and I can't wait to take you along the bus ride with me. Wow, let's go. All right, major shout out to my Uber driver, Jahangir, for getting me to the bus station in time. Thank you, my friend. Look for him and his killer candy painted creamsicle. Daewoo, swagged out. Love it, love it. All right, we are here at the Q Connect bus station, about to ride in luxury. Look what we got. Fresh meals, coffee, tea, a washroom, onboard entertainment, high-speed Wi-Fi, a kitchen. There can't be a kitchen on the bus. No way. Here's the bus itself. Oh, super excited to get on there because I'm tired, y'all. I have not slept very well since I've been in Pakistan. The excitement, the energy, the chaos, it all just leaves my mind reeling at night. Too excited to go to sleep. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm dressed in pants and a long sleeve shirt. Very curious to see how cold this bus is gonna be. Every single bus I've taken anywhere in the world, it's always freezing cold. So I even packed my packable jacket in case it gets super chilly. Can't wait to take you on the bus. We're definitely gonna see if it has a bathroom. I'm gonna give you the full tour after eating that spicy pizza sandwich this morning. Hopefully there's a bathroom on board. And super stoked to have some Wi-Fi as well. All right, let's go on in here. Assalamu alaikum. Salam. All right, going on in. This is the waiting chill room area. Let's go get our ticket situation sorted, and we got about 20 minutes till we get on the bus. We've got our ticket, seat number 3A. Met some very nice people in the UK there. Very charming. All right, we've thrown our luggage under here. Hopefully it makes it safely. Powered by BookMe. Pakistan, as you can see, we've got all the luggage under here. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Assalamu alaikum. All right, let's get on the bus and show you the full tour. Assalamu alaikum. Oh wow, already liking what I'm seeing. We've got this beautiful purple carpet. Oh yeah, this is luxury life right here. Wow, got an area up here to stash your luggage. Pardon? Oh, look at these seats. Leather. We got digital controls. We got pillows. We got flat screen TVs. All right, I'm seat number 3A, right here in the solo seat. Assalamu alaikum. All right, check it out. We've got some sort of headphone jack. Oh, look at this bus, amazing. Let's take a look in back first before we go. Let's see, let's take a look at this bathroom situation. Okay, we've got a mini fridge, a microwave, and I've been told that we can buy food on the washroom. Oh, perfect. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Tamina.
Tamina, so nice to meet you, Tamina.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Here it is, bathroom life. Got a nice sink, soap dispenser over there. Yeah, this is definitely more space than your average bus bathroom. Toilet to flush. Yeah, I've taken a lot of dodgy buses with much smaller and much worse bathrooms than that. Take a look at this. We got TV screens everywhere. So far the bus feels pretty warm. I don't feel like I need my jacket. Let's go ahead and put up my bag, and then we'll get on the road here and we'll mess around with some of these controls and see how far we can go back. Okay, now I feel the air conditioning cooking a little bit. Hello, my friends from the UK.
Hi, hello.
They were so friendly. They told me that they've spent time in New Jersey and Washington D.C. and New York, and told me all about their lives, and now we are going to Islamabad together. Shukriya, my friends. All right, yo, we are living that luxe life. Super comfy chair. Okay, this exceeded all my expectations. I think this is the nicest bus I've ever been on in my life. If you've seen my other videos where I've taken buses in Guatemala and El Salvador and Argentina, they leave a little bit to be desired. This right here is the total package. What do we got here? We got a light button. Not working. Another light button. We don't need lights, it's during the day. All right, let's mess around with some of these layback controls. Oh, check it out, okay. Oh, this one's for the legs. Oh yeah, definitely getting some nap action in. Oh, we can bring it down. What does this one do? Oh, okay, this is almost like a lay flat type of deal here. Oh, truly first class luxury. Okay, that one brought my seat up. We don't want to go that far up. Okay, let's go back. Okay, those buttons don't appear to work right now. Maybe some will activate once we start getting on the road here. But I mean, I can pass out just like this, like a happy camper. Oh, just blown away by the Q-Connect bus. You're probably wondering what the cost was for this bus. It was about 4,300 Pakistani rupees, or about $19.50 USD. There is a way to get a cheaper ticket if you're a member of Q-Connect or something like that. I think you can get a ticket for as cheap as like $15 to $17. It offered me that price at first, but then the website wouldn't accept my US credit card, so I had to get a very friendly Pakistani person to buy my ticket for me. Shout out to them. We're gonna meet them in a later episode. Gonna meet them in Islamabad. Here we go. We've got the menu in our hands. The salt and pepper favorites from Salt and Pepper Express. I've actually seen a few of these restaurants all over Lahore, so I'm curious if it's a chain. All right, we've got some juices on there. Pomegranate, strawberry, grape, tea, coffee, bottled water, cold drinks. Ooh, and then the food. We got the lunch combo. Boneless chicken handi, chicken shish kebab, vegetable biryani. That's an insane amount of food. I don't see prices listed for the food. I think everything, according to the website, was about 600 Pakistani rupees. I think that's somewhere around $3, maybe a little bit less. Chicken burger. Okay, I'm gonna pick one of the lunch combos because that sounds tempting to me. And what is this thing? Wait, a premium onboard catering menu. Whoa. All right, we've got a salad bar, an omelet, more Pakistani food, wraps, burgers, sandwiches, pizzas. Get out of here. Well, we definitely know we need to order some Pakistani food if we're gonna be on this bus for 4.5 hours. Let the snacks begin. First up, they brought me a little cup of mango juice here. I talked to a few Pakistanis yesterday who told me they think Pakistan has the best mangoes in the world. Cheers. Oh, that's so nice. So sweet. I'm not sure if it's fresh mango juice or mango from concentrate. Either way, sugary, sweet, super, super tasty. Really nice mango flavor. We have reached the halfway point of the journey. Apparently we're taking a 10-minute break out here. Gonna walk outside, stretch our legs. I'm curious if this is the spot where they pick up the food, because I know they're not making all that food on the bus. Oh, check it out, we got a Whack Arnold's, Food Roo Cum, and a Hardee's. First time seeing a Hardee's up in Pakistan. I guess I could have gone to McDonald's, but yeah, I ain't about to eat some fast food. I've only been in Pakistan 4 days. Maybe towards the end we'll go explore what a Pakistani McDonald's is like. But not now, not now. I want the real authentic Pakistani bus food. Whoa! Q-Connect. Yes, amazing bus. Best bus. Best bus. All right, I just saw the bus attendant walk by with a bunch of big bags of food. So I think that means lunchtime is creeping very, very close. But yeah, halfway through, well worth the money. I mean, this was a no-brainer. 19, 20 bucks for 4 hours in a bus like this. Pure comfort, great atmosphere, super quiet, temperature controlled. Really nicely done, Q-Connect. Really, really digging it. Okay, food is on the way. Let's pull out this tray table. Whoa, massive, massive tray table. Look at that. Way bigger than your average airplane. And here we go. Let's tear in to the lunch combo special. All right, the main event has arrived. This thing is so heavy. I picked it up. It weighs so much. A staggering amount of food in here. Okay, let's tear into it. Here's the naan, and then here's everything I ordered. We've got a boneless chicken handi, a chicken sikh kebab, some vegetable biryani, boneless chicken boti, mint raita, dessert, whatever that is, and the naan. And this looks and smells really, really good. We got some cucumbers and onions in there. There's the biryani. Got some carrot as well. Oh, that's the kebab. This, I think, is the boneless chicken boti. I'm not sure which one is the boneless chicken handal or handi. I'm not sure. Major apologies if I'm mispronouncing any of these. Wait, that might be the chicken handi, I think. Okay, this is the best angle I could get on the bus. I got the selfie stick hanging off like a coat hanger or something here. I think some people are trying to sleep, so we're gonna keep it a little quiet. Let's go ahead and dig right into this. This is what I think is the boneless chicken handi. I'm not sure. I've never had that in my life. Never heard of it. How? Oh, wow, that's spicy. Wow. Really tender, juicy bits of chicken. A nice like masala flavor in there. That is super, super spicy. Unexpected. Might have been a dangerous choice for a long bus ride to eat something spicy. But wow, bursting with flavor. Really, really digging that. Solid choice, solid choice. Now let's try what I think is the boneless chicken boti. Bati? I'm not sure. Feel free to correct me in the comments. Pow. Oh yeah. Way more tender, way more juicy, less spicy. It's got a very like peppery flavor to it. That's really, really nice chicken. Yeah. It reminds me of like a pepper chicken that you would get in like Asia or a Chinese restaurant or something like that. Very, very good. Still a little bit of spice to it on the back end, but nowhere near as spicy as this. Okay, let's get a scoop of this biryani. My first taste of Pakistani biryani. Did not expect it to be on a bus. I'm gonna get a big scoop there. Well, as big a scoop as we can get. Very nice, classic basmati rice. Not bursting with flavor, but it's rice. It's cucumber and it's onion. Not the best biryani I've ever had, but it's nutrients. It's fresh. It's not bad. We'll say that. Okay, let's try this boneless chicken kebab. Massive. This is an insane amount of food. And again, I think the total cost was 600 to 700 rupees, which puts this
at just about $3.11. Absolute mega deal. All right, kebab time, pal. Really nice, also super tender. It's got a great like grilled flavor to it that I really dig. Very tender. This is the second type of chicken kebab I've had in Pakistan, and I won't say it tastes undercooked, but it's certainly not cooked as thoroughly as like the boneless chicken that I've had here and had other places in Pakistan. I don't know if that's just the style here, but the chicken kebabs are just a little bit mushier of a texture than you would find with some of the other boneless chicken. Still, really tasty. Definitely dig that. This is, I believe, I'm not sure if this is the rata. I don't know what that is, actually. I've never heard of that in my life. I think it might be it. Maybe this is some sauce I'm supposed to pour over the biryani. Yeah. Classic yogurt sauce. Very light. We're definitely going to get the spoon out and pour some of that all over the biryani to give the rice a little more flavor. What I think that's really going to bring everything together. All right, here is the naan. Looks like it's got some sesame seeds on the outside. It's looking a little limp. It's looking not exactly crispy. Pow. Yeah, I guess this is what you would expect from naan on a bus. Not great. Very soggy. Very chewy. Not enjoyable. Maybe with some sauce and a little biryani and meat mixed in, it'd be okay, but yeah. I've had some of the best naans in my life in Pakistan. This might be the worst naan I've ever had in my life. No need for that. Empty calories anyways. Let's get on to that dessert, the mystery dessert. Ooh, it looks like a pudding. Check that out, you'll see that? It looks like we've got a breadcrumb in there. Huh? It looks like a tapioca or a custard type of dessert. How? Very nice. Very light. It's like a vanilla pudding. Yeah. It's got a nice thickness and consistency to it. Very mild vanilla flavor. It reminds me like a snack pack, like I would eat when I was a little kid for lunch. Just a Jello pudding cup. Interesting. Not sure why they put the breadcrumb in there. It also looks like there's something green in there. What is that? I can't tell, but it tastes quite nice, quite fragrant. Yeah. Solid pudding. Incredible meal. If you're taking the bus, I would get this meal again. Way better than you're gonna get at McDonald's. Okay, lunch crushed. Time to take a nap, but I need to mention that they also offered me Coca-Cola, Sprite, chai tea, and coffee. So you're definitely gonna stay hydrated if you take the Q Connect bus as well. All right, Z's time. I will see you in Islamabad.
And that's that. 4 hours and just about 40 minutes later, we have arrived in Islamabad. Here we are. Major thanks to Q Connect. That was a solid bus ride. Comfy, luxurious, definitely worth it if you're coming here to Pakistan and making the journey from Lahore to Islamabad or Islamabad to Lahore. Definitely gonna take them again when I come back to Islamabad. There's my friend Bilal over there. We're gonna go say what's up. My name's Brent Tim from Islamabad, and I'm saying ciao for now.